So hello friends, my name is Mohit Kaushal and you are watching Hydroid. So today I will show you how to install Hadoop in Windows. So let's start the video. So firstly search about how to install Hadoop in Windows. How to install Hadoop in Windows. And now open GitHub. GitHub is an open website, so easily you can download the Hadoop link here. It's 2.8.0 Hadoop. Then you can download with JDK. JDK is compulsory for Hadoop. Then open command prompt. Then search about Java. What is that? Then okay. Now you can see Java is already installed in this system. Then what you can do now? Download a Hadoop file from GitHub. I already downloaded it and now I will show you. That's a Hadoop file 2.8.0 and download it from GitHub. And now you can see we can set the environment. Then this PC, properties, advanced system setting, environment variables. Then you can add path from here. Already set a path of Hadoop and JDK. Now OK, then OK, then OK. Then open Hadoop 2.8.0. Create a folder that name is data and inside the data that name is data node and name node. There are two files. Just create a folder, then inside are two folders. Now you can do extra Hadoop and core site. That's a core site. GitHub. And you can see here their configurations, core site.xml, and for mapper site just copy it and then save it. Now you can see I already saved it. What you can do now, you can copy here files and paste their files like HDFS file.xml, yarn.xml. Then what you can do now, you can set path inside the Hadoop -mv. Then set the path here. Now you can see I already set the path here. Then open command prompt and start.